4 new Helium 10 tools revealed in their biggest launch ever. In this video, I want to share the exciting news with you, and also I want to show you how to get priority access to one of the tools. And that's limited only to 1,000 members who opt in. That's what Helium 10 mentioned, so take advantage. Now, I've gotten this email today. I want to share what's going on, and let's go. So my name is Vova. I'm an active seller on Amazon. Been selling there since late 2016. On this channel, I'm going to find lots of tutorials, video guides, tips, tricks, hacks about how to sell on Amazon. If you're liking this, I do recommend you checking out my other videos. I do put my heart and soul into them for you to enjoy, so check them out. If you're coming back, thank you a lot. Appreciate you watching my videos. Hopefully you're enjoying them, putting out some content lately. Catch up, enjoy, doing my best. So yeah, and also don't forget, hit the bell and let's start the video. So I've gotten this email from Helium 10. I wanted to share it with you. So launching 4 new tools tomorrow, join us. Vova, I've never done this before. It's the first time ever launching 4 tools at one time. This Wednesday, which is tomorrow at 11 p.m. a.m. PST, we're redefining all-in-one Amazon software. So if you can attend at that time, don't worry, we'll have a replay, awesome. But you may miss out on priority access to one of the tools because it's limited to first 1,000 members who opt in. Now, to get access, click on the link in the description. It's going to take you to this landing page that we're going to speak about in a second. And just book your seat. It's free. Just see what's going to happen. I don't know what the tools are. I'm just going to show you what they're supposed to be. There's one exciting tool that I'm not sure if this is the one that's going to get, that you can get access to, or other ones, but I'm also excited. So webinar should last about 60 minutes. So join us if you can. That's not a long webinar. It's not the 90 minutes one. It's 60 minutes. And see you there with exciting Helium 10. P.S. This is our biggest tool launch ever. And because of that, it's going to be our biggest webinar ever. But there's still a capacity limit to the webinar room, so register now and show up early to guarantee your seat. So as I mentioned, I'm not sure how many seats they have. I think they have 1,000 priority, and how many others I'm not sure. So take your seat in the link through the link in the description. Now, what's going to be there? We're defining all-in-one Amazon software. Join us for our biggest launch ever. Again, March 25th. 2020, 11 a.m. PST. That's in a few hours. Doing my best to, you see, I think there are a few hours left, so I'm trying to put out the content the best way possible for you to understand. Here's a preview of what's to come. A new way to capture leads and drive sales. Maybe they're gonna do something like ClickFunnels software. I don't know. Maybe landing pages. Excited for this. Maybe to integrate with their insert cards. The easiest way ever to monitor your business 24/7. Not sure what that means. How to stay ahead of the competition. We want to stay out of the competition. They're going to review how. And the interesting thing is revolutionize how you do PPC. So I guess that's the PPC tool that's coming out. Again, not sure. I do hope so. And hopefully, maybe that's the one. So if you need something like this, check out exciting webinar. Click on the link, register a seat. Who's your speaker? Bradley Sutton, Helium 10 Director of Training and Customer Success. As an Amazon Seller Ninja and listing optimization and product launches, Bradley has optimized and launched over 400 products in the last 2 years alone. His training videos and live workshops are viewed monthly by over 100,000 Amazon sellers of all levels, from new sellers to 9-figure sellers. With a vast background in entrepreneurship that spans 20 years, Bradley started a $1 million market car parts business at the age of 19. So if you're still not familiar with Bradley, he's the one that's taking care of customer success, and he's doing all the webinars, lots of videos for Helium 10. Very knowledgeable guy. He's going to be your host for this webinar. So click on the link and join, register your seat. I hope you're going to make it. And again, for the 1,000 people that are going to attend it live, and they're going to be the first, they're going to get access to this tool. And for those who are watching after this, there's going to be a replay, so still check it out. It's going to be in the description as well to see what's going on, to see if you want to join the software. And if you're already part of Helium 10, I guess it's going to be available to you. Yet I'm not sure, so I'm also going to attend the webinar. I want to see what it's all about. I want to see the tools. So come, click, and enjoy. Now up here is going to appear a playlist of my Helium 10 tutorials where I teach you how to use Helium 10 software. A lot of things. Black box product research, automatic emails, product listing optimization, and whatnot. So click here if you want to check out our stuff about Helium 10. Thank you. Hopefully you're going to attend the webinar. See you there and enjoy. Have a good day.